Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fix It Felix, your go-to channel for home maintenance and repair tips. Today, I'm tackling an appliance that keeps our clothes clean but often gets overlooked, your washing machine. You might think, wait a minute, my washer cleans my clothes, so it must be clean, right? Well, not exactly. Over time, your washer builds up grime, detergent residue, mold, and bacteria that can actually make your clothes smell worse instead of fresh. So today, we're diving into the science of why cleaning your washer is essential and how you can keep it running efficiently for years to come. Make sure to stick around until the end for the best cleaning hacks and a step-by-step guide to keeping your washer spotless. And if you love home maintenance tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Alright, let's talk science. Every time you do a load of laundry, your washer deals with detergent, fabric softener, dirt, body oils, and even bacteria from your clothes. Over time, these things build up and create a perfect environment for mold and mildew. Damp environments with leftover detergent residue allow mold to thrive, leading to musty odors in your washer and clothes. Bacteria and germs. If you're washing sweaty gym clothes, pet blankets, or even just everyday clothes, bacteria can linger inside the drum and detergent compartments. Detergent and fabric softener. Buildup. Excess detergent doesn't always wash away, leaving a sticky film that attracts grime and reduces efficiency. Hard water deposits. If you live in an area with hard water, minerals can accumulate inside your machine, affecting its performance over time. A dirty washer can mean dirty clothes, higher energy consumption, and even costly repairs down the road. So let's fix that. Now that we know why it's important, let's go over the best way to deep clean your washer. Whether you have a top load or front load washer, these tips will work for you. Step 1. Gather your cleaning supplies. You'll need white vinegar, baking soda, a microfiber cloth or sponge, an old toothbrush, warm water, and optionally, hydrogen peroxide or bleach for deep disinfection if needed. Step 2. Clean the detergent dispensers. Pull out the detergent drawer and soak it in warm, soapy water. Use a toothbrush to scrub away built-up residue and mold. Wipe down the slot where the drawer goes with a damp cloth. Step 3. Clean the drum. For a front-load washer, pour 2 cups of white vinegar into the detergent dispenser and run the machine on the hottest, longest cycle. For a top-load washer, fill the washer with hot water, add 4 cups of white vinegar and let it agitate for a few minutes. Then, pause the cycle and let it soak for an hour before resuming. Step 4. Scrub the rubber gasket, front-load washers. The rubber seal around the door is a hot spot for mold and mildew. Use a cloth soaked in vinegar to wipe it down, then scrub any stubborn spots with an old toothbrush. Step 5. Deodorize with baking soda. After the vinegar cycle, add 1/2 cup of baking soda directly into the drum and run another hot cycle. This will help neutralize odors and break down any remaining residue. Step 6. Clean the exterior and filters. Wipe down the outside of your washer with a damp cloth. Check and clean the drain pump filter to remove lint, hair, and debris. For top-load washers, inspect the agitator for any trapped dirt. Step 7. Keep it fresh. Leave the washer door open after each use to allow airflow and prevent mold. Wipe down the drum and gasket weekly to keep it clean between deep cleanings. Use the right amount of detergent to prevent excess buildup. And there you have it, folks. A simple but super effective way to keep your washing machine clean and working like new. Remember, a clean washer means cleaner clothes, lower energy bills, and a longer-lasting machine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Also, let me know in the comments, how often do you clean your washing machine? Have you ever noticed bad odors or residue? Let's chat down below. Thanks for watching Fix It Felix, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay clean, stay fresh, and happy washing.